Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I will talk about how we can identify how many hardware requirements are needed while installing Windows 11. So here in this video I will only talk about the all kind of requirements that are need to met while installing Windows 11, and before installing we need to figure out why these requirements are required, because the Windows 11 is already a highly upgraded operating system that is launched by Microsoft. So yeah, let's go to my screen and let's see how we can just do it.
Okay, so guys, before upgrading my Windows 10 to Windows 11, I was trying to, do some manual stuff just like doing update so it can be turned from Windows 11. So just I was clicking Windows button and trying to do update, and my system was completely up to date, but I just found that error that this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. So I thought, what kind of requirements are required? Let me tell everyone. So I just find out how many requirements are required and how we can just figure out what requirement and where we can just figure out. So let's go to the Google, type Windows 11 hardware requirements. So once you click to here, go to the first website, Windows, checking Windows requirements and system requirements for Windows 11. See, so before upgrading our system, we need to ensure these hardwares: processor, RAM, storage, system firmware, TPM, graphic, and display. So first of all, processor. How you can find out what is the processor is running on your operating system? So just type task manager, and once you click to task manager, go to performance tab, and here the first thing is processor, CPU. You can say whatever you want. This is the logical cores 4 and base speed 2 gigahertz. So this is how you can figure out your CPU or processor. And the second thing is the RAM. We can do know here as well as that memory is 8 GB, and the minimum requirement is 4 gigabytes. Okay, and then storage, it is the minimum requirement of 64 gigabit, sorry. And here you can see we have disk 224 GB. This is also meeting our requirement. System firmware, how you can just find out what is the firmware running on your system. So for doing this, click to start menu, type run, and type ms info 32. So it will show you all your system summary and BIOS mode. So see, this is the UEFI also. So you can just find out what is your BIOS mode, then you can understand is it meeting the requirement or not. And then we need to find out TPM, trusted platform module, and this is the kind of a theme that enhance the security of your uh, laptop and all that. So let's see how we can just do check. Click to a start menu, type run, and type tpm.msc. Once you click to here, you can see the computer has 1.2 TPM. So if it is showing, then we can't enable or upgrade something, just like our applications we do upgrade. So this is the kind of hardware process that we need to go to local market or whatever you want to go, and you can just upgrade your laptop hardware to meet Windows 11 requirement. And the second last is graphic card. Graphic card is WDRAM 2.0 driver. So for checking this value, we need to again go to run, type run, and type D DXDIAZ. See, so it takes 2 to 3 seconds to launch, and then we need to go to display and drivers, and here we can see this is meeting a requirement driver module WDRM 2.1, and the minimum requirement is 2.0. Now we need to just find out the display. So the minimum requirement is 720 pixel, and how you can identify, just you need to open this panel. If you have already opened, just scroll down in display tab and see this is the upgraded one. So this is how we can just find out all things, and how you can just figure out is it your operating system, your laptop is meeting the requirement or not. So I will suggest you one more thing. If your laptop is minimum than 1 GB RAM storage, then you should change your laptop instead of upgrading, because it will upgrade but not that much work that is required. So I will suggest you to just, if it is only just a storage, RAM or TPM, or specific the graphic card only, then you can just try to consider the upgradation part, as you need to just buy a new laptop. So that will be really easy, and I will launch you another video where I will discuss about what is the best laptops for you and how you can just install Windows 11 on that uh, very smoothly. So this is how you can just find out all things, and how you can just do it. So for more information, just do comment. I will let you know. I will let you know everything whatever is required. And if you like the video, kindly do subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Thank you so much.